All right, I just got a package. Been out of town, so yeah, let's crack this baby open, see what it is. Can't find my knife, but let's grab some scissors. Probably not the best thing to do. Y'all be careful out there, kids. Let's adjust some things real quick. Okay, this is from Maono. My friends over at Maono actually sent me a low profile boom arm. The BA92 aluminum live streaming microphone arm. All right. Now you all kind of know I have a multifunctional setup. And I just realized I'm not wearing headphones, but nevertheless, you see I have this Joby arm that I actually really like because it has a cup holder and a headphone thing on it. I'd actually showed you that in my if it ain't broke, don't fix it setup tour, desk setup tour. And then, you know, I started out with the Samsung boom arms that I've kind of repurposed into like tripod stands. So I have one that's holding my main camera now. Then I have one that I use for overhead. I got another one over there that I'm actually going to be using on another setup. But as you can see, my money maker is covered up. My face is so beautiful. And normally I have my mic lower than this, but so you could actually see this, you know, I kind of held everything down. But yeah, I think I'm going to be switching to this. I'm going to lose the cup holder, you know. But let's see. Let's set this up and see how much we actually like it. So it says it's made from aluminum alloy, 360-degree rotating, standard 3/8 and 5/8 inch thread, compatible with professional microphones, easy to attach desk clamp, 95-degree vertical adjustment, cable management, and compatible with all shock mounts. So I'll show you. With the front of the box, I was reading the back of the box, so you can see that information there. Nothing special about the box. And it's not very big. Pause. So right out the gate, and normally I do unboxings with the overhead, but I mean, you know, we got some paperwork. Who reads instructions? Ball head, which is another reason I actually love, because a lot of your, like the Samsung clamps don't come with a ball head. This Joby comes with a ball head, so it makes it easier to position the mic kind of where you want to. So that's very smart, Maono. Hex key or Allen wrench. What else we got in here? I think this is the actual clamp. All right, so the actual desk clamp that appears to be, is definitely solid. Your standard desk clamp. With some protective plastic. So nothing too special about that. Some more trash. That didn't go too well. All right. Oh, this actually comes in two parts. So I may have to read the instructions. So I'm assuming this is the profile part that goes across, and then you attach that to that. All right. I hope this is long enough. Pause. Well, you're doing a lot. All right, empty box. Yeah, well, looks like you're trying to injure yourself. So it looks like the same. Y'all, I have no clue. But I'm gonna put this together real quick and then I'm gonna come back and yeah. And then we're gonna see what it looks like. Definitely, I will tell you though, the quality, sturdy metal, aluminum, well made. The cable management system. I don't know if you can see that there, but that's where this is the hole where the cables will go through. So that actually does come off. Seems like this is pretty easy to remove. I'm wondering if you're trying, yeah. I like that now the new, just for comparison, Elgato just came out with a new version of their low profile boom mic arm that I saw Tom Buck just recently review, and one of the issues he had is that these easily come off, so they made a magnetic one. Ah, okay, it slides. So you can see there are hooks. All right, so it's not gonna focus. I gotta be a beauty expert. So you can see those are hooks right there. So you can see that part right there, that black part, it actually slides and connects into it. So you just can't, I mean, well, I still yanked it out, but it doesn't easily come out. Okay. All right, but definitely metal, well built. So let's see how I can put this in position. Typically, most people will probably have it coming from the front of the desk. I'm gonna see if I can still kind of hook this up to the side, and if it'll give me enough clearance room to come back this way or come back this way. Since my Rodecaster Duo is on this side of the desk. But yeah, I'm gonna set that up and we'll be right back so we can see what's going on. All right, catch y'all in a second. All right, so I'm back. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. And I'll post a link down to the description if you like this. $67.99. I think it's normally like $79.99, but there's a limited time, I think a lightning deal going on right now on Amazon, $67.99. Again, link down in the description. What I didn't realize, I was almost afraid that it was a little too low, and especially like, so one of the things I am going to get and invest in, I actually have some on the way, is the right angled XLR adapters, because you can tell I'm trying to leave enough slack for the cord to actually go in or whatever, but I still have enough arm clearance. Y'all know I like to talk with my hands. I can still do a product review, if I wanted to show you something like, hey, here's an ND filter, that I use, so it's not in the way. I have a lot of clearance. My money maker is visible, so it's not covered anymore. Again, this is scissor action. Well, you're saying a lot of out-of-pocket stuff today, but this main arm right here actually does go on a scissor. One modification I did make, the clamp, there's nothing special about it. It's a standard clamp. So this arm, I think they all are pretty much the same. Well, they're not all built the same, but the mechanism that hooks it in to the actual desk clamp fits my Joby. So Maono, if you come out with a desk clamp that has a cup holder and a headphone holder clamp in one, hey, I'll go Maono all the way. But I love the fact that you do have this scissor action. So if you do need to make an adjustment, like watch this. So I can still make adjustments, put it right back kind of where I need to. It's gonna stay. Again, you can tighten it and loosen it as you need to with the Allen wrench. Not actually, I'm gonna tighten mine just a hair. And this actually comes with a Phillips flathead. I don't know if you can see that on the other end. And then, like I said, you have the ball head adjustment, you know, and then I have this adjust. So I have 3 points of being able to make an adjustment to where I can get this pretty much perfect how I want it. And again, it's not like overpowering my shot where you see the arm coming down and then you have to redo it. You know, you got the arm coming way from this angle or this angle like you normally see. I like it. It's low profile to the desk. I think for me, I may have to move my, cause I could see myself bumping, you know, you can hear that. I can see myself bumping. If I move my Rodecaster Duo a little bit further this way, I can literally fit my arm. I'm a big dude, so I can keep my arm, and y'all forgive me for looking down. I can keep my arm kind of like that. And forgive me if this seems like a simple review. I really just wanted to get straight to the point, show you I set it up. It's a boom arm. It's a low profile boom arm. It's a low profile boom arm. I'm gonna say that one more time. It's a low profile boom arm. It's well made. It's a great price. Is what makes this different than any other boom arm? The price, probably. The only thing I don't like is the Maono branding. I mean, everybody, we're living in a brand world where everybody wants you to see. And I'm sitting here like, just thinking in my mind, I'm like, Walt, how in the world did you find a way to take what probably could have been a 5-minute video and squeeze 10 to 15 minutes out of it? Only you. But yeah, I mean, and that's the only downside. The only downside is this branding. I don't have anything against Maono, but it's just like, it's in the video. Like my microphone, you can't, honestly, you wouldn't know what this was. You wouldn't know it was a fine K688 unless I told you. But you know I'm using the Maono boom arm. The Rhodes, same way. This is why people like, y'all, it's okay. Like, I know you want your brand to be plastered everywhere, but that's the only downside. That's the only downside. Now, the biggest thing why people have issues with boom arms is when you're done, what do you do with it? And when you're ready, bring it right back. Instead of just having to adjust that thing, pick it up, rotate it out the way, this literally folds off to the side. One smooth action, baby. It's like Pepto in these streets, and it comes right back. So I like this whole set it and forget it. You know, so again, $67.99 Maono BA92. I like it. I might black out this Maono because people are gonna ask, yo, what boom arm is that? I'm gonna tell you, the Maono BA92. This, you can tell I just came from right back out of town, but I saw the package, I was excited about it, and so I just wanted to go ahead and record it. But it's a boom arm. Yeah, we're not finna do all this cinematic B-roll and all this. Y'all know that's not my channel. I'll give you B-roll when necessary, but yeah, it's a boom arm. I'm gonna keep saying that. But it's a very good boom arm. It's very well made. Like I said, the only downside is the branding. And then, you know, just the cable management system that I was telling you about. If you do need to adjust your cables, everything seems to be pretty sturdy right now, that they won't easily snatch out because they do hook in. Not really a pain trying to get them hooked in the first time, but yeah, set it and forget it. I like it. So you let me know if you're using another boom arm. Do you have the Joby arm? Do you have a Samsung arm? Do you have the Elgato arm? What arm are you using? There's so many different arms out there, but I like this low profile look. I think it's gonna work better for my videos. And what I want to do, I'll probably pull this back down, push this back up just a little bit so you can see my money maker and keep that in the face. And I think that may actually help me with some better mic technique as well. Normally I would talk, like when I was using my pod mic, it would be off to the side. And this allows me to still talk across the capsule where I can still kind of avoid some of those plosives. Nevertheless, somehow I've managed to turn this into a long video. So forgive me. Listen, buy the microphone, link down in the description. Let me know, do you like it? Love it, hate it, love it, list it. $67, can't beat it. You know what I'm saying? Definitely makes my shot look cleaner, and I'm probably going to stick with this one. So great job, Maono. Let's engage in the comments, and if you found any value, if you want to see me do more product reviews like this, just let me know. You know what you can do. You can hit that like button. That'll give me indication. If you hit the subscribe button, I'll really know. But if you click that bell, guess what? Not only will I know, but you'll be notified every single time I post more content like this to the channel. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in one of the videos you see playing on your screen right now.